But Prof, what is your reading of El-Rufai's? Do you think that Tinubu has a lot to fear about the El-Rufai factor?
I frankly don't think he has anything to fear. And that's why I wrote the article that the opposition is going to lose. First of all, El-Rufai is not is not the huge political heavyweight that he imagines himself to be. In spite of his support for Tinubu in 2023, Tinubu lost Kaduna. He was the governor of Kaduna State and supported Tinubu, full on, full-throated, but he lost. So that tells you that even within his sphere of authority, he could not deliver the votes to Bola Tinubu. And then two, his relevance, his political relevance, his political weight is directly connected to Buhari. He rode on Buhari's political coattails to power. His political machismo has gotten to the end of its shelf life. And we know why. He did not improve the lot of the people. Even the personal integrity that people attributed to him turned out to be a facade. And so he's no longer what he used to be. And by himself, El-Rufai has no political capital. He has no symbolic power. He has no symbolic capital. So he cannot.
So he poses no threat.
He poses no threat.
Even with an alliance, with an Atiku, and forming a coalition, Tinubu political family has nothing to worry about.
I really don't see what they have to worry about.